Welcome to Tathagata Career Academy. This is a part 2 regarding the civil service prelims examination held today. We are already discussed about history questions from 1 to 20 question in the first part of the video. We are already uploaded in our YouTube channel, so please go through it. And here we will discuss about economic questions. Economic questions in set B are from 21 to 25 and again from 31 to 45. Okay, 15 questions. 15 question economic static part we will cover in this video. Okay, first 21st question. What are the money multiplier in the economic question? This is a repeated question. Last year also they have asked. Money multiplier, effect of the money multiplier in which one of the following? Here money multiplier and here liquidity are inversely proportional. So the option C is the right answer. Increase in the banking habits of the people will be the right answer. Option C is the right answer. Next 22nd question regarding the with reference to Indian economy, demand pull inflation can be caused or increased by the which one of the following they have asked. If you eliminate here option 3, third statement, if you eliminate, you will directly come to the conclusion that option A is the right answer. 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the right answer. Demand pull inflation. Reason for the demand pull inflation are expansionary policies, fiscal stimulus and higher purchasing power are the right answer. 1, 2 and 4. Option A is the right answer. Next 23rd question with reference to India, consider the following statement. Here word India is important for writing correcting this question. First statement, retail investor through demat account can invest in the treasury bills and government of India debt bonds in the primary market. Okay, this is the correct statement, absolutely right statement. Next option here option C and D will be eliminated. The correct answer will be option A or B. Okay, third one will be wrong automatically. Next second statement is negotiated dealing system or order matching is the government security trading platform of Reserve Bank of India. This is the wrong statement. So correct answer will be option A. Only one is the right answer. Okay. Next option 23rd one will be 23rd 1 and 2. Statement 1 is the right answer I told. Here statement 2 is also right answer. The Central Depository Service Limited. Here this is initiated and promoted by the Canara Bank and all. They have this question is regarding the recently Central Depository Service Limited IPOs launched by the Bombay Stock Exchange only, not Reserve Bank of India. Okay, promoted by Canara Bank and all other banks, but here Reserve Bank of India is the wrong. So option 3 is the wrong. 23rd option B, 1 and 2 are the right answer. 24th, with reference to water credit, consider the following statement. If you read the statement 2, the global initiative launched under the aegis of World Health Organization, this is the wrong answer, the wrong statement. So 24th will be 1 and 3. 1 and 3 is the right answer. Statement 1 and 3 are the right answer. 25th, in India, the central banks function as a lender of last resort, usually referred to which of the following? RBI is considered as a lender of the last resort. So here if you see option 1, statement 1 is the wrong statement. So if you one will be wrong. Statement 2 is the wrong. Providing liquidity to the banks having a temporary crisis is the right statement. So 85th will be only 2. Third one is also wrong. Okay, 85th option B is the right answer. Next R2 code This is the current affair. We will skip this one because this is the economics question video. We will directly go to 31st question. Okay, 31st question. Reserve Bank of India is appointed by the central government. Okay, 31st is 31st. Option A is the right answer. This question is regarding the Section 7 and the Allahabad High Court recent issue. If you don't know regarding the news regarding these situation, if you read the statement 2 here, certain provision in the Constitution of India. The word Constitution of India, because RBI is not a constitutional body. Constitution of India is the wrong, because RBI, they are talking about the RBI. So option 2 will automatically becomes wrong. So option 1 and 3 are the right answer. Option C is the right answer. 32nd, with reference to the casual worker employed in India, consider the following statement. We are checked this question, but we are confused. Means we are not sure about this question. Regarding, we will go by statement by statement. Here, statement 1 is absolutely right. All casual workers are entitled for the EPF. Okay, employees provident fund coverage. Option statement 1 will be right answer. Okay, so option B will be eliminated. Regarding this one, statement 2, all casual work, all word, I am not sure about this statement. All casual workers entitled for a regular working hour and overtime working. We are a bit confused about this statement. As of now, we will consider this statement as wrong, and right answer will be here, option C, 1 and 3. Regarding this statement 2, we will confirm about this in the comment section later. You can also comment about this in the comment section, because statement 1 is the right answer. Absolutely no question about this one. Statement 2 is only doubt here. If you consider wrong, then option C will be the right answer. Next, 33rd, which among the following steps is most likely to taken at the time of economic recession? Okay, this most likely type of questions occurred in the last year also. Most likely, last year they asked most likely regarding the COVID-19. What are the most likely steps for not going into economic recession? They asked. This time we are in the recession, so they asked what are the steps most likely taken at the time of economic recession. Okay, last year they asked steps to avoid the economic recession. Okay, here 33rd option B is the right answer. Okay, the increase in the expenditure on the public project is the right answer. 33rd option B is the right answer. Next, 34th, consider statement, following statement. Other things remaining the unchanged, market demand for the good might increase if. Okay, if you consider, this is a tricky question. The statement 1 and 4 are the right answer here. Because if you consider the price of its substitute, because if you consider pen and pencil, if pen increase, if price of pens increases, pencil will be the higher demand. If pencil increases, pen will be in a higher demand. So price of its substitute increases is the right answer, right statement. Next, if price falls, it is also right statement. Price of complement increases is the wrong answer, because okay, if you increase the ink and price of the pen also increases, so statement 2 will be the wrong answer, wrong statement. Okay, next, if you eliminate statement 2, option 1 and 4 are the right answer. Okay, for 34th, option A is the right answer. 35th, coming to 35th question, with reference to urban cooperative banks. Urban cooperative banks were very much in the news. Okay, urban cooperative bank, last year also they asked regarding the UCBs. Here 35th, option B is the right answer. Okay, 35th, option B is the right answer. Coming to the statement, 35th, coming to the statement, with reference to urban cooperative bank, and they are supervised and regulated by the local board set up by the state government. This is the absolutely wrong answer. Okay, wrong statement. If you eliminate one from these given options, option A, B, option A, C and D will be wrong. So correct statement regarding this will be option B, 1 and 3. Next, 36 local bodies, urban cooperative banks are not regulated by the state government. So statement 1 will be wrong. So directly option 2, option B, 2 and 3 are the right answer. For 35th question, option B is the right answer. In regard 36th, regarding the bond yield, repeated question, every time they ask regarding the bond yield. Here all the statement are the right answer, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, option D, 1, 2 and 3 are the right answer. Next, 37th, foreign currency convertible bond, foreign institutional investment, global deposit receipt, non-resident external deposit. Which of the above can be included in the FDI? FDI norms. FDI regarding the question is regarding the FDI. So option B, only 3 global depository receipts are included in the FDI, in foreign direct investment. 37th, option B is the right answer. Next, 38th, what is the effect of devaluation on the currency, they asked. 38th, option A is the right answer. Only one is the right answer. It improves the competitiveness of the domestic market in the foreign market. Okay, devaluation, our exports will be increasing. Okay, improves the competitiveness and the of domestic exports in the foreign market. Only one, option A is the right answer. 38th, option A. Next, 39th, which one of the following are the effects of the black money in the Indian market? Okay, black money. Here all statement are the reason for the effect of the black money, but most appropriate here will be the what is the regarding the statement. Option D is the right answer. Black money definition, main definition will be loss of the revenue to the state government, because tax will be avoided here. For the money whatever you have accounted, tax will not be paid. That is called as a black money. The most appropriate answer will be option D, loss of revenue to the state exchequer due to tax evasion. Next, 40th question, which one of the following is most likely to be the most inflationary in its effect? Okay, 40th, option D is the correct statement. Correct answer. Creation of the new money into the finance to finance a budget deficit is the right answer, because it is the most inflationary in its effect. Okay, thank you. In this video we discuss about the economics static part. In the next further videos we will discuss about poverty and the environment. This is the part 2 of the today's UPSC civil service prelims examination key answer. So we have covered up to 40th question. We will be covering in the next part. So please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. Thank you.